Okay guys, for this video, I'm using my Sony CB1 to my right, and in front of me I have the webcam that I'm using with my camera. So I was shopping around for wireless microphones so I can do videos and vlog when I'm out in the outdoors. So I was looking at the Rode Wireless Go's, and those were like, I think those are like 250, 300. So I shopped around and I found an alternative. And let me see if I can zoom in here a little bit. This is the Synco G1A2 Digital 2.4 GHz. It's one trigger and two wireless microphones, as you can see. And it tells you there a little bit more. Let me zoom in. I'll zoom into that way you can see it. And on the back, well, I don't have to zoom in that much. So I'm gonna do the unboxing, and then right now I'm using the mic from my camera, the Sony CB1. The mic on it is pretty good. These I got them for like whenever you walk away and you're doing something and you're at a distance from the camera. That way you can have clear, good sound. So this is how it came. Now these, you can find them for $120. So if you compare the price, to the Rode Go Wireless, it's more than half of the price, less. So they come in it's a good, smooth, kind of rugged case. I'm gonna open it up. Now you have your two microphones and your receiver. And it comes with a cable. This one goes from your phone and then it goes to the camera. This is the USB charger. As you see, it comes with 3 outlets here. That way you plug them in at the same time. This one is a camera to microphone. This looks like a small mic. And here goes another small mic. So you get two small mics. Built-in, turn up mic. Okay. Yeah, you get the external lab mics, the 3.5 TRS phone cable, the one that I use, and the 3.5 TRS camera cable. And it also came with these. These are the clips, and these are the noise wind reflectors. Some other people call them dead cats. These are pretty good. Those come in handy whenever you're in the outdoors. So they're pretty easy. They come with a clip. So you would just clip it here, and then that way you can talk, and then you can back away from the camera and you can still have good voice quality. So what I like about these is that they're light, they're convenient. I can't even feel it on So this is gonna do it for that video. This is all the unwrapping. The next video, I'm gonna just do a sound test, and I'm gonna compare both. That way you see the sound quality. You can find these on eBay. They're like 120. They're pretty good, so check them out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.